Hey y'all, welcome back everybody. We just bought all of these groceries from Costco's and I need to make sure it get organized in the refrigerator so that way everything just won't be all over the place. You know, we cannot function with a messy refrigerator, and right now we still have some things in the freezer and refrigerator already, so I need to go ahead and take everything that's in here already, clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and put all the new stuff in here. But first, I just wanted to let you know that we're gonna do something different today. We're gonna do a clean out and organize my refrigerator type video. If you're new to our channel, we have a large family lifestyle channel where we showcase our soul food recipes and we go grocery shopping to give you some inspiration and some meal ideas for your family. Everybody wants to know, you know, how a large family refrigerator looks, so why not go ahead and let you get a sneak peek today. And just go ahead and take a quick second right now to go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button. We love y'all too. So I packed this freezer pretty tight. raw foods, vegetables, the 2 packs of chicken. We already had some beef in here, some more hamburgers, mozzarella sticks, hot dogs, the breakfast sandwiches, some berry blend for some smoothies. And then right now, this is what the refrigerator is looking like so far. I cleaned it out. And then we have a lot of soles. We love soles. Daddy loves soles. And then this is some salmon that I'm going to make. This is some of the macaroni and cheese from Costco's. That's really good. You just put that in the oven, and then there's a meal right there. And then we got some barbecue steak tips. And then this is our bowl for our takeout package. You know, when you go to Taco Bell, Burger King, McDonald's, anywhere you got the little sauce packets left over, we do save those. So I just put them right here on the door. And I always wash these out too. Our containers for our vegetables. This is the fruits one. This is the big bag of lemons. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out. You guys can never have enough lemons right now. You know, especially right now with the pandemic. If you're in the house sick or got a cold, or you know, just want something hot, some tea, just go ahead and get you a nice good old lemon. So I'm gonna put all of the fruits back in here. So this is the bin for the onions. So I just rinsed that out. That's like one of my OCDs in the kitchen, is when all them little onion pieces and shells just be at the bottom of the onion basket. I just like to take those out. And then here's some green onions that we just got. Go ahead and put those in there. So we love onions. You guys know that by watching us on the regular. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put Daddy ramen noodles in here too. That way I can save some space. Look, she done took all them lemons out the basket. She gotta put that back in there. Dang, always messing up some stuff. And some naan breads. Yep. And then speaking of sauce, you see we got more sauce, some mustard, ketchup. And then here goes some of that cilantro sauce, but we made our own in our recent taco video. So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and check that out too. And some lemon pepper seasoning. Can't forget our big refill of mayo for our burgers and sandwiches. They gotta have that mayo. And just like that, you guys, we are done organizing our refrigerator / unpack with me / grocery haul. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure you go ahead and comment down below.
If you don't ask, thou shalt not receive.
Okay, we don't know what you guys want to see unless we talk about it, right? Again, welcome to all of our new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that little red button. We're going to see you guys back for the next video. See y'all later.
See y'all later.